Hey everybody, real quick update on the Bintelli cart. I got a little sick and tired of honking my little beep beep horn at people on the road, so I decided to do something about it.
Does this look right? Ow! Where did I put my screws? I'm not sure this is how it's supposed to go.
So right here you're going to see what is the factory horn, and I went ahead and did this because it's not that big of a how-to video. So this is the original little beep beep horn, and what I decided to do, not sure you can see them too well, let's get a better angle on that. I got onto Amazon and got me some of these FARBIN dual tone horns. So one's a, what is that, 419, 418, 410. Already got some dirt on it. So, got a 400, got a hang on. So I went ahead and installed these FARBIN dual tone horns. One, I'm trying to read the numbers, 510 and 410 hertz on these, and it makes it sound like a real horn. Hang on a second, let me show you. Just like a real car. So the how-to on how to do that, I took the factory wiring and made a Y split off of this, because you see here on the factory horn over here, it's just got a positive and a negative. And what I did is I brought these down and made little Y connectors. So there's then two positives and two negatives. Ran the wires through the frame, across, down under, and then there's this little screw hole poking out right here, and I was easily able to attach to that screw to put the two horns on there, and one positive and negative to each of the horns. Sounds good. If you have any questions on how to hook up your own real car horn to your cart, just let me know. Drop a note in the comments.